Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best rawhide for dogs. Here are the top 3 rawhide for dogs that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Virbac Rawhide for Dogs. These chews contain calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D3, which work together to break down plaque on teeth. They also have a patented enzyme that helps to remove the bacteria in your pet's mouth that cause bad breath. These chews can be used as part of a regular oral hygiene routine or along with other products. It is a tasty way to help your dog's teeth and gums stay healthy. They are also designed with an easy-to-hold shape, making it easier for you to give them to your pup without any fuss or mess. At number 2. Pet Magasin Rawhide for Dogs. These treats are a great way to help keep your dog's teeth clean and healthy. It provides them with hours of chewing entertainment. It is treated to eliminate bacteria without adding any preservatives or other chemicals. It helps reduce tartar and plaque, promotes oral hygiene and healthy gums. These rawhide bones are made from free-range, grass-fed cattle that have not been injected with antibiotics or hormones. At number 1. Montu Sun Rawhide for Dog. It is made with 100% all-natural chicken breast wrapped around a rawhide stick. These rawhides are manufactured under strict food safety guidelines. These roasted chicken sticks are safe for dogs. These rawhides provide fun chewing enjoyments for your dogs and promote dogs' teeth healthy. This rawhide is a healthy alternative to chewing your shoes or furniture. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.